Hi, this is Steve, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the source tracking through into your Aweber autoresponder if you're using the Home Business Academy funnel builder. So let's just zoom in there on the URL, and you can see here we've got source equals, and I've got an example here of whatever. And what we're going to do is going to show you how to get that part of the URL, everything after the equal sign, through into source tracking of your Aweber autoresponder. So let's get started. So what we need to do is we need to add a hidden field into this capture form. So let's start off though with the first step of this process, which is going into Aweber. So here we are in my Aweber account. I've selected the list in question, which is all-in-one business, and go down to list options, expand that out and click on custom fields. From the custom fields section, you'll see that I've already created a field called source. You'll need to do exactly the same. Use lowercase letters and just type source and then click add. I'll show you what I mean by adding a different custom field here. I'm just going to add ref, so I'll just type that in and click add, and that's how simply you'll add source. So as I say, just remember to do it lowercase. So just type that in, and once you've done that, your Aweber part of the setup is complete. Now let's come over to the funnel builder itself. Now this will work on any form where you've set up an opt-in form connected to Aweber, and it'll work with other services as well, but this particular video is showing you the setup process for Aweber. So here what you want to do is click inside the name of the opt-in form, and the little green box will pop up to say edit fields. We're going to click that. That'll open a new box which is actually editing these forms. You can see we've got the name and the email there. Click the plus sign and now choose hidden, because we want a hidden field here. Now we've got the hidden field, click on the pencil icon, and from here we need to map this to a CRM property, and that CRM property is called source. So click the drop down, scroll through here till you find source. There it is, click on it, and that's that part done. Now in the field name of Aweber we called that source, so you need to type source in there like so, and then all you need to do is click off this box somewhere. I'm going to click here, which leaves me on this page where I'm editing the fields, and I'm going to delete that part that says hidden, and I'm going to type in there SRC, because that's the source tracking that I want to use. So once I've done that, click on the page somewhere, and then top right click on save. And that's everything set up. Now I'm going to show you that working now by going to this test page that I've set up. So I'm going to click here to open that in a new tab, and here you can see the URL we're on. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to put / source equals, and let's just put Steve test so that we can see that go through. And so we'll just load that onto the page. Now we'll enter here Steve, and I'll just put Steve test and type my name in there, my email address, or at least a test email address. It's not a real one, so don't mail me at that address. Once we do that and opt in, we'll get redirected as per usual to the sales page. So that's done. Obviously that's nothing to do with what we've been setting up here, but now let's come over here to Aweber, click on subscribers. Then we're going to click on to filter that down by subscribers added today. As soon as this page loads, just give it a moment, and we'll do subscribers added today. Here we go. And once this loads, I'll see my test opt-in there, and here it is indeed. If I expand that out, you will see in there that the source is Steve test. So that's how you set up the source tracking to get that information into your Aweber autoresponder if you're using the Home Business Academy funnel builder. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, I'd appreciate it if you'll give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on those bell notifications so that you get a message every time I post a new video. And once again, thank you very much for watching.